We're gonna go buy the SlamNasty. I have only hovered this thing, I have not flown it. So this is completely untuned. I'm running Betaflight 3.5.7 on this because I'm still not trusting of 4.0.4 is out now. But I've got that on my beast class right now, so I don't even know what my excuse is with this one, but that's what it's on. It's untuned. It is what it is. I got 2 packs to go rip this thing around with. I just want to see what it can do. Let's go.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
So that's weird. I'm getting like a weird kind of orange and fluttering out of the camera there. Bot's flying good though. That is weird. And in the headphones, when it was idling, I was getting kind of a flip. I never had such a thing. Alright, so the SlamNasty went down. Kind of a nice fall because it's just got grass on it. But it no longer arms, and it's like it just fell out of the sky. None of the motors look burned. PDB looks alright. The flight controller is up and powered. Yeah, so I don't know what that's all about. I'll have to take it apart and check it. Yeah, there's something wrong with this motor. It might be smoked. I'll have to go home and check it. Yeah, see I can get it to stop like that. So I'm getting some desync, so either the ESC is bad or the motor's bad. I'll have to check that out when I get home. Yeah, so that's a thing. So that was the SlamNasty. Now, I'm a little upset that the video had issues. I apologize for that, but it is what it is. It's an experimental thing. So aside from the video issue and the motor desyncs, this thing flies great. I mean, snap rolls like that. I can't believe it. It's a really cool little race flame. It just needs some tuning. So I'm glad I got it up in the air. I'm upset that I've only got 2 batteries, but at this point, I guess it doesn't matter because I got that desync issue. So I don't know if that's the ESC or if that is a motor, but I'll go home and check out the motor. I don't have a multimeter with me now, or a drill for that matter to check the motor, but that's what I think it is. It's probably an ESC or something like that, but that is what it is. So let me know in the comments below, how do you feel about yours, or how did you feel about this flight? So if you enjoyed this video, click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't done it already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button, because you only get to do it once, and it's fun. Catch you later. Peace.